WD-40 Specialist Fast-Acting Degreaser is a solvent-based degreasing fluid that quickly removes grease, oil, dirt and grime. Its powerful discharge rate aids and promotes removal of oils and grease, drying to leave no residue. The fast-acting degreaser works immediately when sprayed. Its powerful discharge rate will dislodge initial layers of oil and dirt, whilst the solvent formula will help dissolve and dilute heavy oil residues, ready to be brushed off and rinsed away. There are a host of automotive applications, such as removing grease and oil residues from automotive components, cleaning bearings, and metal surfaces of built-up deposits. With the Smart Straw engaged, product can be targeted to provide more concentrated cleaning power. WD-40 Specialist Fast-Acting Degreaser is designed for automotive workshops where the removal of heavy deposits of oil, dust and grease from metal surfaces is required. It provides a unique combination of a concentrated, powerful discharge combined with strong cleaning power and is recommended for automotive cleaning applications. Job done.